I'm Shikha Shah.
We have come up with yet another easy recipe to satisfy our taste buds with some chocolatey taste. So now for making chocolate balls, here I have taken 5 marigold biscuits and 5 Parle-Gs. I'm going to add this in a mixture bowl. Now in 1.5 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1.5 tablespoon of drinking chocolate, 1.5 tablespoon of icing sugar, and 2 tablespoons of milk powder. After adding all this, I'm going to crush this in the mixture. So now you can see how beautiful the texture has come, and we'll take this out in a bowl. Now we are going to prepare a dough of this. So for that I'm going to add water. So we'll be adding water in parts, and we'll see that we don't add more amount of water to this, otherwise the mixture will get loosened and we won't be able to make the balls. So now you can see how beautiful the texture we have got for our dough. And now what I am going to do is apply some ghee on my palms, and like this I will take some mixture in my hand and will prepare small size balls. So here I am making a bit bite-sized balls so that we can enjoy eating it. So like this we will prepare all the small balls, and now we will garnish it. So now what I am going to do is I will roll these balls in this dry coconut mixture, and this will give it nice flavor and texture. You can use any dry fruits you want, any flavor. If you want to add hazelnuts, kaju, badam, kishmish, anything you can add into this. So here is our chocolate balls ready.
I would really appreciate if you like, share and subscribe to my channel. The list of the ingredients is given below in the description box.